But this time we're going to do the two examples together at the same time. The first one is finding force, the second one is finding area. Watch the first example where we look for pressure. If you haven't seen that, that will also help. So the first step is going to be just to write the formula, again in the form of the triangle, because it's easier to do the rearranging. So pressure equals force divided by area. And the second step is just going to be to substitute. That has to be a step on its own to make sure the numbers are in the right places, so that when we do the calculation it's going to be correct. So again, I've drawn a big enough triangle to put the numbers in place. We're looking for the force, put a question mark there, and then 15 goes in there, and then 3 goes there. And the third step is just to do the calculation. So it's going to be 15 times by 3, which is going to be 45. And then remember the units. Pressure is given as newtons per centimetre squared and areas in centimetres squared. So force is going to be just newtons. So it's going to be 45 newtons is the answer there. For the second one, we're looking for the area. So again, we start by writing the formula as a triangle. Pressure, force, area, and then we substitute into there using the information they've given. So again, I've drawn another triangle big enough that I can put numbers into it. We're looking for the area, so I've got a question mark on the bottom right. Force is 80, that goes at the top. Pressure is 20, that goes on the bottom left. From there we can work out the calculation, and that's going to be 80 divided by 20. Divided by 20 newtons per meter squared. I've included the units this time. And that's just going to be 4 centimeters squared, because we're looking for the area.